Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm covering the top 5 Canadian reverse mortgage myths. So let's jump right in. Canadian reverse mortgage myth number 1. With a reverse mortgage, you no longer own your home. Reverse mortgages often carry a negative stigma, possibly due to events south of the border. However, Canadian reverse mortgages are entirely different and are heavily regulated by the federal government. So let's bust this myth once and for all. With a Canadian reverse mortgage, you always retain the title, ownership, and control of your home, provided you continue to meet your mortgage obligations, such as paying property taxes and maintaining the dwelling. Think of a Canadian reverse mortgage like a regular mortgage. You maintain ownership of your home, and if you choose to pay off the reverse mortgage, it will be removed from the title. The myth that with a reverse mortgage, you no longer own your home is false. Canadian reverse mortgage myth number 2. Reverse mortgages have high interest rates. Let's explore this statement. When discussing interest rates, it's crucial to ask compared to what? Yes, rates for Canadian reverse mortgages are slightly higher than traditional mortgage rates from A lenders, but they are similar to rates you get with an average home equity line of credit, or HELOC for short. And the benefits of a Canadian reverse mortgage versus a HELOC are massive. First, with a Canadian reverse mortgage, there are no monthly payments. Second, it's much easier to qualify for a Canadian reverse mortgage than a HELOC. Third, and this is a big deal, Canadian reverse mortgages have a no negative equity guarantee. Now, let me explain this special protection, the no negative equity guarantee. If you borrow $500,000 and for some reason the housing market drops, you will never owe more than what the house is worth. If the value drops, the bank takes a loss and covers the difference, not you. All you have to do is uphold your mortgage obligations, like paying your property taxes and maintaining your home. This is a big advantage that you cannot get with any other loan or HELOC. Each of these benefits I mentioned is impressive on their own, but when you combine all three, that's when a Canadian reverse mortgage truly stands out as an exceptional choice. Think about it. Is there a HELOC out there that gives you no monthly payments, has almost no income requirements to qualify, and has the no negative equity guarantee? The simple answer is no, there isn't. This unique blend of benefits is only found in Canadian reverse mortgages, which is why Canadian reverse mortgages are exclusively available for people who are 55 and up. And about that myth that says reverse mortgages have high interest rates, when comparing the benefits to the costs, I'd say that myth is mostly false. Canadian reverse mortgage myth number 3. You will owe more than the value of your home. This myth is easy to debunk. Canadian reverse mortgages come with a no negative equity guarantee. This means that as long as you uphold your mortgage obligations, like paying your property taxes and maintaining your home, the amount you owe will never exceed the fair market value of your home. For example, imagine that you got a Canadian reverse mortgage borrowing $1 million and invested this money into something that, unlike your home, pays you dividends. If the market price of your home drops below that $1 million, you can still use the cash you just borrowed, and the bank can't force you to sell or ask you for any additional money. As long as you maintain your mortgage obligations, like paying your property taxes and maintaining your property, the bank cannot go after your other assets, investments, or properties. This is a huge advantage you get with a Canadian reverse mortgage that you often don't get south of the border, and a great way to cash in to today's high housing market prices. So the myth that you will owe more than the market value of your home is absolutely false. Canadian reverse mortgage myth number 4. Reverse mortgages are expensive to set up. This one is a bit tricky. With a Canadian reverse mortgage, just like a regular mortgage, you'll pay for a property appraisal, and additional independent legal advice is required to protect your interests. But when you compare a reverse mortgage to alternatives like downsizing, you will avoid the land transfer tax and realtor fees, so you will save big. Compared to downsizing, a Canadian reverse mortgage can be a more affordable option. So with this myth, the answer is, it depends on your unique situation. which is why it's always important to consult with a trustworthy professional who will review your financial situation and recommend the right solution for your needs. That's why the myth that reverse mortgages are expensive to set up gets an "it depends" rating. Canadian reverse mortgages myth number 5. Your kids will lose the home. Let's clarify something important about Canadian reverse mortgages. If you pass away, your kids have clear options. They can keep the home by paying off the reverse mortgage with cash, or they can apply for a traditional mortgage to pay off the reverse mortgage and they can keep living in the home. If they choose not to keep the home, which many kids do when they split the estate, they can sell the home, use the money from the sale to pay off the reverse mortgage, and keep the remaining cash. So the myth that your kids will lose the home is false. For a limited time, I'm offering a free 30-minute one-on-one private consultation to discuss your mortgage options. I'll assess your unique situation to see if a reverse mortgage is right for you. I'll guide you to the optimal product, lender, and help you find the most competitive rates and terms available. I'm not affiliated with any banks or lenders, ensuring that the advice I provide you about reverse mortgages is unbiased and tailored to your best interests. You can reach me at 416-577-3504 or click the calendar link in the description below to book your appointment. If you haven't seen the other parts in this 5-part Canadian reverse mortgage guide, I'll leave a link to the playlist up here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational mortgage videos like this one. This is Alexander Gasenko, your trusted Toronto and GTA mortgage broker. Until next time.